वेरी वॉर्म वेलकम टू एवरीवन। काफ़ी नए स्टूडेंट्स भी यहाँ पे ज्वाइन किए हैं। सो बिफोर आई इंट्रोड्यूस द नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट, आप सब लोग ना जो सीनियर स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनकी एक बात पे ज़रूर ध्यान रखना। ऑल ऑफ देम हैव गॉन थ्रू देयर ओन शेयर ऑफ स्ट्रगल्स पर्सनली, बट सब लोग एक कॉमन थीम से ज़रूर अटैच्ड होंगे, जो है कंसिस्टेंसी। डेली अपनी कंसिस्टेंसी, अपने मोटिवेशन को मेंटेन करना और कोशिश करते रहना कि जो भी चैलेंजेस आए उसको ओवरकम करें। बट नेवरदीलेस जो नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट है, ये कुछ ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स में से है जिसका कई बार ऐसा होता है ना कि देयर द थिंग्स दैट दे हैव डन स्पीक्स मोर अबाउट देम देन देयर नेम इटसेल्फ। The guy is a badminton enthusiast. He takes interest in chess. He has qualified the round 1 of the mathematics Olympiad. And not just that, a 1400 rank in JEE Main and an extraordinary comeback, a whooping rank of 387 in JEE Advanced. So I have a privilege of calling on stage Siddhant Kaul.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, thank you, Vaibhav sir, for that kind introduction. So, hello, Vaibhav sir. So, my name is Siddhant. I started my journey in BT in the 10th grade in the Foundation Accelerated course. In that very first year at BT, I knew that I wanted to continue for 11th and 12th. The kind of teaching I got, it was simply extraordinary. I mean, there was never any doubt in my mind, and let me tell you, it was the best decision I've ever taken to continue in BT for 11th and 12th. Those are the crucial years. The teachers here, they're so friendly, they're so approachable, and most of all, they're so very knowledgeable about their subject. They really make you love their subject. The admin staff is wonderful. They're very helpful, they're very responsive, and best thing about BT, the peer group. I mean, of course, the competition is always stiff, but with BT you have such great discussions. The quality of discussions is something else. I mean, I really have no words. We continue discussing questions after class. We discuss ideas, we discuss concepts. It really keeps you on your toes. Overall, the BT culture, it doesn't just teach you to get better at PCM, which of course it does, but it really pushes you as a person, not just in PCM, but for example, you have the WizKid competition, you have the logic and coding classes for the foundation grades. It really helps. Oh, and I was asked to give some advice to the junior classes. मैं तो बस यही कहूँगा कि really love the subject, have a sense of wonder about the world around you, especially about what you are learning, and everything else falls into place. And another really important thing is to take care of your physical and mental health. That's not just to improve your performance on the day of the exam, but overall to keep you active and alert and fresh, so when you're in class you can learn the most effectively, and obviously it's a no-brainer that will reduce your burden later on. So to conclude, I want to thank my family for supporting me, for loving me unconditionally throughout my journey. They kept me on the right path, and especially I want to thank my brother. He really understood my non-availability throughout the 2 years and didn't trouble me as much as a younger sibling should. So thank you to my teachers, to my friends. I wish everyone all the best for everything that's in front of them. Thank you.